This morning, Colorado lawmakers will be back at our state capitol despite the delayed start to the legislative session. There are some big issues they're hoping to tackle right away, and Denver 7's Micah Smith joins us from the newsroom. Lawmakers are considering changes to immigration protections.
Brian, there's a piece of legislation that would limit the sharing of personal information between state departments and federal agencies, more specifically, ICE. The bill would stop departments from passing along personal information to immigration authorities without a warrant or order signed by a judge. I talked to Arash Jahanian, a civil rights attorney with the Meyer Law Office, who helped work on this bill with Senator Julie Gonzalez. He says when we share our information with the government to get a driver's license or ID, unemployment benefits, or other service, there's an expectation that the information is protected, but that has not been the case, especially for undocumented immigrants. Just last week, through a public records request, the Colorado Immigrant Rights Coalition found out DMV employees were voluntarily turning over information to ICE for immigrants who participated in a driver's license program. Jahanian says this bill would stop that from happening and build on protections that Governor Polis put in place that gave agencies guidance and set up some internal protections.
But that's not strong enough. There are still loopholes in that guidance, and this is important enough where it needs to be in law in the state of Colorado, so that, for example, the next governor wouldn't be able to come in and just change everything.
The bill was first introduced last session before the pandemic shut it down. Jahanian says they're hopeful that this session the bill will pass.